It is obvious that after inserting connectors and terminals or electrical components of a circuit, you will need to connect one or more wires to them. Therefore, there are several tools that I'm going to explain about them. The first one is the splice tool. To do that, you have to go to the Insert Components panel and then from the Insert Connector drop-down, choose the Insert Splice tool. The Insert Component dialog box will be displayed for us. Here you have to choose the symbol of the splice. Then in the command line, you will be prompted to specify insertion point to place your splice. Do it and then the edit component will be shown. As you know, you can edit your connector tag or specify description for it or other options which I had explained before. Then by choosing OK, the inserted splice will be shown for you. Now I want to insert wires into my connector. To do that, you have to choose Wire tool. We learned in previous sessions about inserting wires, so I'm going to choose Wire from the Insert Wires Wire Numbers panel. On doing so in the command line, you will be requested to specify the wire start. After that, you have to specify the end point of your wire. By pressing Escape, you can terminate your wire. Also, it is possible to insert multiple wire bars into your connector. So to do that, you can select multiple bars, and also, as we talked about multiple wire bars in previous session, you can specify and change the value of default options in this dialog box. Because you want to add multiple bars into your connector, you have to choose Component option to do that. Select OK, then you will be prompted to draw a window which contains the starting wire connection points. You can specify the window wherever you want to insert the wires. I decide to insert wires to these pins. So I'm going to draw it, and pins which are in the drawn window become red. Then by pressing Enter button and moving your mouse, you can see the inserted multiple bus wires that you can place it wherever you want by clicking at a location.